In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily access and convert a Word document using Google Drive and Google Docs. This process is straightforward and perfect for those times when you need to edit a Word document on the fly directly from your Google Drive. First off, let's open up your preferred web browser and head on over to Google Drive. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to enter your details to access your Drive. Once you're all logged in, you'll see your Drive interface, which serves as a cloud storage system where all your files like documents, spreadsheets, and presentations are stored. Now that you're in Google Drive, it's time to find the Word document you want to work with. Google Drive offers a handy search bar at the top. You could type in the name of your file there, making it easier to locate. If your Drive is organized into folders, you might prefer to navigate through these directories until you find your desired document. The search bar can be especially helpful if you have numerous files, letting you bypass scrolling through them all. Once you have the Word file in sight, simply double-click on it. This action will automatically redirect you to a new tab where Google Docs will open the document for you. The beauty of Google Docs is that it seamlessly converts your Word files into a Google Docs format, allowing you to make edits immediately without any additional steps of converting the file back and forth. You'll notice that as soon as your document opens in Google Docs, its layout and formatting are maintained as closely as possible to the original Word file. This feature is one of the many reasons why integrating Microsoft Word files with Google Docs is so useful. It streamlines the process, especially when collaborating with others who might not have the Microsoft Office suite. Once you're in Google Docs, feel free to start editing the document just as you normally would. You can add text or images, change formatting, or share the document with others for collaborative work. Google Docs automatically saves your progress, so there's no need to worry about losing your edits. And just like that, you're done. Your document is now in an editable format within Google Docs, effortlessly converted from a Word file. This quick and efficient process means you can handle your documents without any fuss, all within the comfort of Google's ecosystem. I hope this guide has been helpful and has clarified how to work with Word files within Google Drive. It's a handy skill to have, whether you're working on solo projects or collaborating in a team environment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.